So I welcome you to the practical DBMS lecture series sessions, and today our topic is Oracle minus operator, and this is Dr. Dibya. Well, let's start today's class. In Oracle, minus operator is used to return all rows in the first select statement that are not returned by the second select statement. To remember, return all rows in the first select statement that are not returned by the second select statement. So each select statement has a data set, and the minus operator returns all documents from the first data set and then removes all documents from the second data set. I hope this is clear to you. And normally in our mathematical science also, a minus b means what? Those values which exist in A but not in B. So similar the case of our Oracle DBMS also. In our normal database management system, we use minus operator to return all the rows in the first select statement but that are not returned, that should not be returned by the second select statement. And the syntax for it: select expression 1, expression 2 up to expression n from table 1, where conditions minus select expression 1, expression 2 up to expression n from table 2, where conditions. So we are just placing minus in between these two select statements. So let's come to the practical example. Now, we have Casto1 and Casto2 table that we have created one of our previous lecture, and I hope I have explained details about these two tables. So it will be not difficult for you to understand these two tables values. So our example is select CID CNAME from Casto1 minus select CID CNAME from Casto2. So what it will return? So without any delay, open your SQL command box. I'm going to open it for me. I'm going to implement this and show it to you. Okay, so let's open this. Well, I have written all the statements in my SQL command box. So you see, this is Casto1 and Casto2. For your better understanding, I'm displaying these two tables again. This is our Casto1 table, and select all from Casto1 table is means returning you all these values. Okay, then select all from Casto2 table is returning these values. Now select CID CNAME from Casto1 minus select CID CNAME from Casto2. As I have said, that better you need to take a screenshot, and that will help you to analyze the result. So when you are displaying Casto1 table and Casto2 table, you should take screenshot and then compare this result. So after executing this statement, that is minus operator, I have got this one. CID CNAME 1 Rahul to SID 4 Ganguly 5 Rama. And as per our concept says that this value should exist in the first statement of select statements values, that is select CID CNAME from Casto1, and this should not available, or this should not present in the second one. So let's verify it then. So first case, you take note of them. Okay, 1 Rahul to SID 4 Ganguly 5 Rama. So from Casto1, obviously these are present: Rahul, Ganguly, Rama. Okay, but now let's display this second statement, execute this one. Rahul not present, Rama not present, and Ganguly not present. So our concept is now okay, because this is as per the definition of minus operator says. So this means minus operator is returning what? The values from the first select statement which are not present in the second select statement. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. For any questions, you can ask me. That's why the comment box is for. Now my question for you is that what is minus operator in Oracle DBMS? So comment your answer. Well, guys, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.